Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have got a pretty exciting video for you today. Sorry that I don't sound like I'm pronouncing words right. I'm a little bit bunged up. Go easy on me. And also I am wearing the exact same clothes from my video before because I have just stopped recording that. I did a Instagram chose my makeup, so if you are interested in that then I will link that down below. But this video is going to be completely different. I have never done anything like this before because it's a seasonal thing and I've never had one of these before, so it's pretty exciting. So today I'm going to be unboxing the NYX Sugar Trip Advent Calendar. I'm just going to move like over this side a little bit so you can see it more. A word of advice, if you are planning on buying this and you don't want to see what's inside, then maybe click off the video right about now because I'm going to open this and I'm going to have a look what's inside it and I'm going to tell you guys. So it might be a bit of a spoiler for you, and if you don't want that then you know, maybe this video isn't right for you today. But if you do want to know what's inside, then stick around because I'm going to be opening every single one of these doors and we are going to be looking at every single product in this calendar. So I bought this for £30. I know that some places, different places do different prices sometimes. I got this from I think they're a little bit cheaper than most places on there, but I'm not too sure. I think I have seen it for around the £50 mark, which is obviously quite a bit more expensive than £30. So if you want it for 30, then get yourself to Very. And the reason that I went for this one is because I know that NYX are quite well known for their lip products, and I'm not much of a lip product wearing gal, as I said in my last video. I literally just said that a second ago. But I went for this because I wanted to change that a little bit. I'm pretty sure that there's going to be some lip products in here. So let's have a look inside. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Oh, obviously I have had a little peek. I don't know about you guys, but when I first opened this up, I am so drawn to this. It's so colourful, there's so much going on, and it's just like, I don't know, they've taken Christmas and they've kind of made it like fun, like more fun and more colourful and a little bit more bougie as well, with a little bit of attitude. Like, look at this guy down here. Can you see that guy? Like, he is attitudey. All the doors, I have noticed, go in order from left to right. There are 3 rows in here and it goes up to 24, so you don't get a little surprise on 25, which is a little disappointing. I'm just going to shut up now and I'm going to get on with it. So I'm going to open door number 1. Ooh, okay, this is the packaging for the little goodie that's come out of door number 1. It's so cute, isn't it? It's so small as well. I'm sorry about this, by the way. I still have like eyeliner on my hand from the last video, but I don't have my wipes hand. So this is like the size comparison. It fits in the palm of my hand, so it's small, but I suppose it's kind of got to be a little bit small because you get quite a lot in here by the looks of things. So to fit it all in, it's gonna have to be quite small, I guess. This is a highlighter. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to swatch it for you on the back of my hand. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like purpley. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick that up, but can you see it? It's just here. It's quite a nice highlighter, but I'm not really much of a purple highlighter wearing kind of person. But it's still nice though. I'm probably still going to use it at some point, let's face it. Okay, so door number 2 is looking more narrow, so I'm gonna say that this is probably gonna be a lip product, and it is, okay, I'm sorry, it's the nails, it's making me struggle to get it out. Oh my god, that is so cute. So this is soft matte metallic lip cream. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so it's pink. Oh gosh, it is metallic as well. Wow, okay. Let me just swatch this here for you guys. Whoa. Can you see that? When it says it's metallic, it's not messing around. So yeah, that's a really pretty colour, isn't it? Can you see the metallic like effect in it? It's got like, it's pink but it's got like gold bits in it. I'm not sure that I'm gonna go all out and be extravagant and wear that right away, but it's really nice, it's really pretty. Coming up to Christmas as well, that is gonna be a good colour to wear, I think, at some point, like for a party or something. That's gonna be really pretty. Okay, so door number 3, that's looking quite narrow again. So I'm gonna say that this is another lip product. Yes, it is. And it looks pretty, really pretty. Okay, so this is a liquid suede. Okay, so this one of the liquid suede collections, but obviously it's a miniature. So this is the colour. So it's a cream lipstick and it is in the shade Starstruck. Oh, okay, so I know that's not the same as on my lip, but it feels really nice to apply. So that is the colour. It's a really quite deep pink kind of colour. This is a colour that I can imagine myself wearing, considering I don't wear a lot of lipsticks. So I'm liking that a lot. Moving on to door number 4. It's a little bit wider, so I'm gonna say that this is probably gonna be quite hard to open. What I was going to say is I think it's going to be a product similar to what was in door number 1, and it is. Okay, so it is another highlighter. Let's see what colour this is. Oh, okay, so this is in a darker shade. So already they're catering for different skin tones, which is really nice to see. So I will just swatch this on the back of my hand somewhere. Don't know if you can see that well. I think it's focusing on my face. I actually think that I could probably use that. I don't know if you can see it, it's just here. It's quite a nice highlighter actually. It's really nice and soft and creamy, so I really like it. And the packaging as well. I mean, that's going to be really easy to travel with, isn't it? So, winning. Okay, so number 5 is another lip product, I think. Yes, it is. And this is the Intense Butter Gloss. And again, we've got another pink shade. And it is in the shade Sweet Nothing. So it's kind of like a pinky purpley kind of shade. That is a really nice little gloss there as well. So far, I'm really enjoying what is in this calendar. Door number 6 is a lipstick. Okay, all right. And this is a matte lipstick as well, and this is in the shade Fluff Piece. So this, okay, this just looks like a classic pink colour, like a classic Barbie pink kind of colour, which I'm not sure if I'm loving or not. But it's really creamy though. This here is the colour. So it's quite vibrant. I think once it's on the lips, it's going to be like, it's going to stand out quite a lot, which isn't for me personally, but obviously if there's people out there who would like that, then this is probably going to be a perfect little shade for you. Door number 7 is another lip product. Okay, so I am really stocking up on the lip products here, I must say, which is not necessarily a bad thing at all. So this is another one of the soft matte lip creams, and this is in the shade Vienna. So this looks like a more kind of purpley shade. Yes, it is more purpley, and it is proper creamy as well. This is the shade here. I quite like that. I can see myself wearing that. So yeah, again, I like it. I like it a lot. So door number 8 is, I think this is going to be like another highlighter, bronzer, or maybe blush or something. Oh, it's another highlighter. Okay, so I think that I would use this shade. Oh, I literally just jabbed my finger in it. Okay, so I've just swatched it here. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's picking it up quite well. I've noticed it's got quite a pink kind of tone going through it, which isn't my favourite thing in the world because I'm not one for colours on my cheeks for highlight, but I don't know, it's quite nice. Who knows what it might be actually on the skin when it's applied over a proper base. It might be quite nice, but I'm willing to try it out. So number 9, I think is going to be another lip product. I actually cannot even get this one open. Oh, okay. Right, I see shiny packaging. Okay, so this says hashtag this is everything, and this is lip oil. Lip oil. Okay, I'm intrigued. Whoa. It doesn't smell the best. I'm not sure what to do with this. It's transparent. I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't know what that does, what it's for exactly. I feel like I'm having a really, really blonde moment right now. Super sorry to interrupt, but I just had to say that I did my research after the blondest moment ever, and basically this lip oil is for the purpose of hydrating your lips. Of course, it's quite obvious, and it is best to put it on before bedtime or in the morning when you get up. I'll give the packaging a 10 out of 10 though, because it's shiny. So, okay, door number 10 is another lip product again. So I am really impressed with how many lip products you're getting in here. I mean, I know I said that NYX is known for their lip stuff, but I think you get like a really good variety as well. So this says Slip Tease. Ooh. Slip Tease, huh? This is in the shade Poppin'. So this says full colour lip oil. That is the colour there. I don't actually like that, so I'm going to move on. I wasn't really a massive fan of that colour. Oh, and my nails just pinged off. This is another butter gloss, and this is in the shade Glazy Days, okay? Okay, so this was like a brown colour, and this is a proper gloss as well. I can see myself using that. So I've just swatched it here. I can see myself using that. That's quite nice, to be honest. I'm digging that. I'm vibing that. Door number 12. Okay. Oh, we have a blusher this time. Oh. Oh. I think I've just found my new favourite blush. Let's swatch this. Okie dokie. I've just swatched it there. Okay. Yeah, I think I've just found my new favourite blush, guys. So, thank you, NYX. Okay, door number 13. This is square and smaller. So what is this? It's an eyeshadow. Oh my god, that is the cutest, tiniest little box. Oh my gosh, just look. Wait, just look. So I'm not gonna swatch this because there's not really much point because it's so light, but that I think is going to work as a really good transition shade for me. That is a really cute little box. I absolutely am loving this packaging. Okay, so door 14 is the same shape. So another eyeshadow, and ooh, oh my god, that's so pretty. So it's a pink shimmery one. I'm running out of fingers, and this is quite subtle actually, so you're probably not going to be able to see it, but I just swatched it there if you can see the glow. But yeah, that's really, really nice and really pretty. I love that. I'm 100% going to be using that. Door number 15 is shiny again, and it is a lip oil again. Oh my god, is it just to moisture your lips? I'm not sure. I'm going to really swiftly move on past that because I don't want to sound any more stupid than I already do. So number 16 is another lipstick, and this is in the shade Sorbet. Bay, where are you? He's on his way here. That's where he is. And this is a blue colour. Okay, blue. Is that coming back into fashion now? So I swatched it here. And it's a nice light blue. It's like you're cold and your lips have gone blue. That is what comes to mind with that. And door number 17. Okay, so this is a lingerie. Okay, it just says lingerie. NYX lingerie. Okay, so it's obviously like it's a lip gloss or whatever. And this is in the shade Slip. And this is like a nice, I'm running out of room, pinky. Oh, okay. So the packaging, it makes it look kind of like pinky, like a really deep pink. But I just swatched it there and it is literally brown. So that's a little bit confusing. So I doubt I'm going to use that. But it's quite good though. It's quite nice. I mean, a lot of people out there are obviously going to like it. But it's a little bit confusing because of the, you know, the packaging and stuff. In door number 18, we've got a liquid suede cream lipstick in the shade Peanut Brittle, and this looks like a deep, like burnt orange kind of shade. So I've swatched it here, and it literally is what I thought it was. It literally does look like a deep orange, burnt orange shade. So that's quite nice. I don't know if I'm going to try, I don't know, I might give that a go. I might give that a go. I haven't really decided yet, but we'll see. Door number 19 is another eyeshadow. Oh my god, I think these are like my favourite ones to open. Okay, they're just so cute. Ooh, it's a shimmery brown. Yeah, it's a shimmery brown shade and it's quite nice. So just swatched it there on my wrist. Quite nice. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. That is a thumbs up. I'm loving this calendar. So door number 20. Yay! Another eyeshadow. Okay, so this is just a matte brown. Okay, so I'm not going to swatch this because I'm running out of room, and it is literally just a matte brown. How exciting can a matte brown get? So that's a little bit boring, but I mean the rest of it's been really fun. But I guess you gotta have some neutral colours in there somewhere. So we're on door number 21 and we've got another lip product. I just spat. Oh my god. Is this black? Soft matte lip cream in the shade Kiev, as you do. And this is literally black. I think this is, oh my god. Why would you put a black lipstick in a Christmas advent calendar? I don't get it. I'm not even going to spend much more time on that. And I'm going to go straight on to door number 22. Oh my god, they've got another dark colour. Okay, so this is another lingerie one. And this is in the shade Deep Rooted. And this is literally like just muddy brown. Okay, just watched it there. Kind of looks like poo. I'm not even even gonna try that out because I don't like brown lipsticks, and I don't think that they should be put in a really nice, fun, colourful, festive calendar. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that thinks that. So door number 23.
Oh no, I ripped the box.
We've got another eyeshadow. Okay, so what's this one gonna be? Okay, so we've got a grey shimmery eyeshadow, and this is a little bit boring. Literally have run completely out of room now on my hand to swatch this, but I don't think I want to anyway because bummer or what. I think they could do with putting some lighter eyeshadow shades in there. So on to the last door now. Door number 24 is another eyeshadow, so I hope this doesn't let me down. Okay, so this is, okay, so this is just a dark purple. Where are all the reds and the golds and stuff? Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with the last few products, I'm not gonna lie. So that is all of the doors open now. Okay, so that is the NYX Sugar Trip Advent Calendar unboxing video done. And I like the majority of the products in here, and I can see myself using quite a lot of the stuff. But, however, the last 4 products are a little bit disappointing. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of looking forward to more reds and golds, you know, like festive colours, so they could have probably done with doing that, but hey ho, they haven't, and it is what it is, I suppose. But I'm not gonna say that I've wasted my £30 because it was fun to unbox it. The packaging itself was good, and the majority of the products are really good as well, and I found my new favourite blusher. I think that's money well spent, to be honest. And I looked at loads of beauty advent calendars, and this was literally the only one that actually drew my attention and made me think I need to get that. I'm not going to give it a thumbs down, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that it has helped you decide whether you want to get the calendar or not. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on as well if you want to see more of me. So I will catch you in the next video.